Trying to watch your favorite shows on JioHotstar while you're outside India, but finding it unavailable? It's frustrating when you have your subscription ready, but the app just won't connect. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to properly set up your connection to access your account from anywhere. I'll be using an Android phone for this step-by-step guide, but this method is universal. It works for your iPhone, Mac, Windows PC, and Fire TV stick. I'll also show you the best way to get it running on your Smart TV. Let's jump into the setup. As you can see, I am trying to access Hotstar website. And it is not available in my region. So, let me show how I resolve this problem. Find all links in the description or first comment. First, I go to Google and search, how to watch JioHotstar from Australia. Whether you're on a laptop, tablet, smartphone, smart TV, any streaming devices, this method is the most reliable way to bypass geo-blocks. If you need specific steps for Mac OS or Windows, check the links in the description. Then I visit AeroShield website. Here I can see a complete guide with the solution, how to watch JioHotstar from my country. So, let's do it. I click Get a free trial Smart DNS first. I activate my free trial and wait for email confirmation. I received email with the detailed instructions. I followed the instructions and set up outline application. I set up the application with provided data. I add server which I got in the email from AeroShield. I enter VPN access key. After that I click connect and check that my IP address changed to India. Now I can open JioHotstar website and everything works great. Try yourself. It works. Find all links in the description or first comment.